Sabha peacefully going on. In the meantime, two persons coming down from gallery, they are try to run towards speaker. Myself and some of the MPs all together caught hold the accused and hold the hands and legs. We are handing over the accused to police personnel.
Then what?
Yeah.
You have done.
In the meantime, that fellow tried to throw smoke bomb. That is also even some smoke around the Sabha. That is the situation.
It's like a scary situation. How you handle all things, and other MPs are also.
Some of the MPs, they are naturally they are panic. Some of the MPs coming forward to catch the accused.
What do you want further to prevent this kind of things in future?
Yes, security should be strengthened. Security should be somehow strengthened.
Any slogans?
Yeah, they are try to raise the voice against nation, but we are prevailing that.